Show me something I ain't seen before. The hoe on my pick a lot, smoking on that mistletoe. Make her kiss alone and while we touch up on a 24. She look like a centerfold, my ball on my genital. Sucking on it like she getting vitamins and minerals. I be on them chemicals, she be on my testicles. Poke her with my tentacle, then put her on my schedule. Rolling up them vegetables, rapping with that special flow. Only way your next to blow if you be strapped with C4. I be fresh from head to toe. You stick to that calico and serve like John McEnroe. Got a salad on my shelf, you spent salad on my blow. That was back when we was copping dubs and trying to roll a phone. Now a nigga living good, I done made it out the hood. Think I'm going back, I wish a motherfucker would.
Oh, fuck.
Right up in the cut with the mask and the pistol grip. With the 38 chub on his gun. Right up in the cut with the mask and the pistol grip.
Man, I said I'm with the hitters hanging, with the hitters staining. All my niggas spraying, leave your mama praying. Money conversations and you pussies ovulating. Niggas started in the basement, free my nigga G, we gaining. Shorty want that penetration, I'ma hit it flagrant. All my niggas living dangerous, really though we innovating. Trapping in and out them places, on the app I got it janking. Really though I seen them faces, all my niggas fighting cases. Bitch I'm running out of patience, try to cross like immigration. Niggas just be imitating, they ain't really out here banging. I will make a nigga famous, try me and I get you dated. My bitch ride just like them Daytons, nigga fuck that set you claiming. Free my nigga Fields, Rado niggas be the most hated. Free my nigga Max, getting stacks, he was paper chasing. City full of cold cases, niggas making bold statements. Bitch I'm off a point, so I was strong, got these hoes fainting, gang gang.